Hello everyone, this video is about how to calculate utility maximizing quantity and marginal rate of substitution. Before we go to the calculation part, we have to know two basic terms, a budget line and marginal rate of substitution. A budget line is a set of commodity bundles that can be purchased if entire income is spent. A marginal rate of substitution is the rate at which consumers are willing to substitute one commodity for another. We know these terms. We are going to produce the calculation parts. The question says a consumer consuming two commodities, X and Y, has a utility function which is XY plus 2X, and the price of the two goods are 4 birr and 2 birr respectively. Birr is a national currency in Ethiopia. Ethiopia is an East African country. The consumer has a total income of 60 birr to be spent on these two goods. So for the calculation of the utility maximizing quantities of good X and good Y, we gotta construct a budget line equation. To do that, we gotta know some terms like P of X. Let's just say this is X and this is Y, and price of X is equals to 4, and price of Y equals to 2. But we don't know the quantities of these two commodities, and the entire income of this consumer is 60. These all are in birrs, and for the sake of the calculation part, M equals to price of X, quantity of X plus P of X, P of Y, Y. Price of X is 4. We don't know the quantity, so we say X, and P of Y is 2. We don't know the quantity, we say Y, and the entire income, which is M, is equals to 60. So the next given part is the utility function, which is XY plus 2X. And we have to know the marginal rate of substitution X, the marginal rate of Y. To do this, we must derive this equation in terms of X to get MUX, and to get MUY, we must derive this equation in terms of Y. So for MUX, in terms of X means it's going to be Y plus 2, and MUY is going to be X only. And we know also that there's a marginal rate of unit of X over marginal rate of unit of Y is equals to price of X over price of Y. So we have to substitute. MUX is Y plus 2, MUY is X, and P of X is 4, and P of Y is 2. And Y plus 2 over X, 4 over 2 is 2, and crisscross it. When you crisscross it, we get Y2 plus 2 equals to 2X. And for having only Y value on this area, we have to subtract 2 on both sides. So plus minus 2 plus minus 2, and this is going to be cancelled by this, and we only got Y equals to 2X minus 2. Now we know the relationship between Y and X, so we substitute this equation into this one right here. So 60 equals to 4X, and substitute 2X minus 2. It's going to be 4X plus 4X minus 4, and this is going to be 8X minus 4. There is 60 here, also 60 here, and 64 equals to 8X. The X value is equals to 8. Now we know x substituted in this, and we know y. We will know y. 2 times 8 minus 2 is going to be 60 minus 2 is 40. Y value is 40. Now we know the utility maximizing quantities, which are 8 and 14 for respectively x and y. We finished the A part. The P part is the B is easy because we know these two values. And the marginal rate of substitution x at equilibrium, meaning at MUX or MUY. And MUX, we say that it is y plus 2. And MUY is x. And we know y is 14. 14 plus 2. We know x is 8. This is 16 over 8. So the marginal rate of substitution at equilibrium is going to be 8. Thanks for watching. If you find this video useful, like it and share it. Take care.